Good morning guys. So this is day 3 and we are in a new country today. आज हम हैं Austria में, Vienna में. So now we are going to go out for breakfast and then we'll explore Vienna. तो हम लोग ये प्राइज होटल में रुके हैं. We checked in yesterday night and काफ़ी fancy unique सा होटल है. And there's a bar that's open 24/7. And I love the pink tint everywhere. Everything is pink. The washroom was pink. The doors are pink. These are the pretty streets of Vienna. ये काफ़ी modern European architecture लग रहा है compared to what we saw yesterday in Salzburg, जो काफ़ी old architecture लग रहा था. तो कल ट्रेन से आते हुए हमने बहुत सुंदर सा कैफ़े देखा था, कैफ़े इम्पीरियल. So I thought we'll come and have breakfast here today. ठंड लग रही थी, so again outfit change. I'm basically wearing a black inners का पूरा और उसके ऊपर अपना jumpsuit. Okay. So now we're out and exploring the streets of Vienna and इस तरफ है बर्गर गार्डन. So हम जा रहे हैं बर्गर गार्डन में घूमने. Just kidding guys, it's not burger garden, it's burger garden.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के.
Look, there's a pond over here and there are so many kabutars. अच्छा, तो ये फाउंटेन के नीचे this person is bathing. Interesting. बड़ी अच्छी धूप आ रही है, मन कर रहा है यहीं पे बैठ के धूप सेकती रहूँ. Look at all these autumn leaves. It's autumn in Austria and it's so pretty. Just casually strolling in the park. ठंडी ठंडी हवा and अच्छी अच्छी धूप enjoy करते हुए. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे धूप सेकते हुए बैठे हुए हैं. Like everyone is having a very chill time. बहुत at Saturday I think everyone is out chilling in the park, just passing time. And of course there are tourists also यहाँ पे, but काफ़ी locals भी हैं. This is Hofburg Vienna. So this is a palace in Vienna. WIEF. Vienna is actually German for Vienna. This is the Parliament of Australia. Austria. This is a really beautiful church. So the name of the church that we just visited is Augustiner Kirch. Kirch is church. यहाँ पे एकदम से काफ़ी भीड़ है. Oh, those two horses just kissed. So cute. And they're on a weekend trip to Austria, Vienna, and they're just performing over here, which is pretty nice. And they're very friendly people. ऐसे अच्छे से बात कर रहे हैं and they're asking everything. Oh, the one guy, I'll post a photo in the video. This one guy has been to India also and he was telling us about his trip to India. This is very pretty, very nice experience. Wow! अब हम लंच के लिए आ गए हैं कैफ़े सेंट्रल. ये वियना का सबसे फेमस रेस्टोरेंट है, इसलिए यहाँ पे सी देयर इज अ क्यू टू एंटर द रेस्टोरेंट. ऑस्ट्रिया के अलग अलग पार्ट्स चलाते हैं, which is written over here. Yeah, we booked our tickets for the giant Ferris wheel now. We will go to the giant Ferris wheel and go round and round and round. Let's go.